My dear students, today I am going to discuss rules to form simple past continuous sentences under the course Learn English through Tamil, a foundation course given by Dr.R.G. I have already repeated many times to write sentences or to reply answers or to speak. Normally, we need simple sentences. So, these simple sentences, based on tense, we can classify into three types: present tense, past tense, and future tense. So, present tense, further, we can classify into four types: simple present sentences, simple present continuous sentences, simple present perfect sentences, and simple present perfect continuous sentences. Same way, in the case of past, simple fast sentences, simple fast continuous sentences, simple fast perfect sentences, and simple fast perfect continuous sentences. In the same way, in future tense, simple future sentences. Number two, simple future continuous sentences. Number three, simple future perfect sentences. And simple future perfect continuous sentences. So, totally, we have reasonably 12 sentences in the case of simple sentences. So, in the case of ordinary active voice, this is commonly we are using during conversation, during writing letter, during writing anything in the examinations, or during answering for any question. So, you have to follow strictly the rules discussed. So, today I am going to discuss rules to form simple past continuous sentences. Please follow. Vetri welcomes you all. The first rule, so I am giving, because I am coming for sixth type, so I am using that number 6. So the rule 1, 6.1 I am calling. The rule 6.1, that means in the case of V1 verb, I have already discussed. What is V1, what is V2, what is V3. This is commonly known everybody. V1 present tense, V2 past tense, V3 past participle. So in the case of V1 verb, ending with C, please follow. Ending with C, when we are converting into present continuous, that is continuous, present or past or future continuous, plus king must be added. In this case, plus king must be added to V1 verb in simple past continuous sentence. Please follow. Now I am giving the formula. Subject. That means subject, nothing but it may be a noun, singular or plural, may be a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, the first person, second person, third person, singular or plural. Then plus auxiliary verb, that is V2 verb, that is the past we have to. So in the case of past, was or were. Singular verb was, plural verb were. Plus V1 verb plus king added. Please follow. king added. So, I am giving the example. There are two examples I am giving here. Please follow. Example, panic, picnic. These are two examples. There are only very simple examples are available. Even in the Oxford Dictionary, only two I have observed. But I have given more than some 7 or 8 verbs I have given. So just how I am converting, just see panic, additional to see, I am adding K-I-N-G. Please follow. The same way here, picnic, picnicking, K-I-N-G. I am adding king. That's all. So to convert the continuous sentence, so present verb should be added with K-I-N-G. So now let me give examples. See, 2 examples, the specific sentences. The students were picnicking because they forgot to study, panicking because they have forgot to study for the examination. Let me repeat again. The students were panicking. Panic means பயந்து கொண்டு இருத்தல். Panicking because they have forgot to study for the examination. அதாவது பரீட்சைக்கு படிக்காத காரணத்தால் படிப்பதற்கு மறந்துவிட்ட காரணத்தால் மாணவர்கள் பயந்து கொண்டு இருந்தார்கள். The same way, she was panicking about losing her phone at the train. அவள் பயந்து கொண்டிருந்தாள். எதற்காக? அவள் ரயிலில் அவளுடைய கைபேசியை, அதாவது போனை துளைத்து விட்டதற்காக பயந்து கொண்டிருந்தாள். She was panicking about losing her phone at the train. Please follow. Always K-I-N-G added. Now, 6 point. This again continuous. Two more. I am giving example. Picnic and another word, picnic verb. Panic and other is picnic. So these 2 verbs are available in the Oxford Dictionary. So picnic, I can convert into picnic. V1 verb converted into picnic. K-I-N-G, I should add. The rule says. Example, the family was picnicking at the park last evening. Number 2, we were picnicking by the lake. Please follow. Very, very easy. So we were picnicking by the lake. Past, this is past continuous. Past continuous sentence. Simple past continuous sentence. Now, number 2, 6.2. The first one, C. Please memorize. Second, E. Regarding E. In the case of V1 verb, V1 regular verb, that's most important. V1 verb, that should be regular verb. Regular verb ending with E. Ending with E. So, plus ing must be added to V1 verb after replacing E in the sentences. Example, come, analyze, dance. These are the 3 verbs ending with E. So when you are converting into the continuous, so remove E, add ing. Very, very simple. So I am giving example, you can understand now. 3 example I am giving. Coming. I was coming from my college last evening. I was coming from my college last evening. வந்து கொண்டு இருந்தேன். Students were analyzing the salt to find out anion and cation in the laboratory. 3. A girl was dancing beautifully on the stage. 3. So I am giving 3 different sentences. The verb was actually I am using coming, analyzing, dancing. In all the cases, kindly follow. I am removing E, adding ing. If it is a regular verb, please follow. The next one, 6.3. Please follow. This is another important rule. In the case of simple fast continuous sentences, ing should be added to the V1 verb in all the cases. Should be added to all the cases when V1 verb is ending with the letters. This is the most important. B, D, G, L, M, N, P, R, and T. Totally 9 letters. This you have to memorize. Kindly follow. This should be memorized. So, if these letters are coming as an ending verb letter, in the case of V1 verb, then preceded by a consonant or more than one vowel, kindly follow as follows. I am going to give example with some exceptions in the case of vowel E. Because a number of examples normally ending with E, and the consonant, previous consonant will be R normally. This rule is not obeying. That's why I am giving exceptional case. Now let me go for example. Kindly follow. See here, a subject, nouns, bar, personal pronouns. So when you want to create sentences, simple, past, continuous sentences, plus primary auxiliaries was, were, depending upon the singular. Then V1 verb, present tense, plus ing. Examples are given below. Kindly follow. So when these letters are, please follow 9 letters. If it is, they are coming, ending, then we have to, and preceded by a vowel, more than one a vowel or a consonant, ing should be added. Just see example. Absorb, B first one. Absorb, absorbing, ing. Add, D, adding, ing. So always consonant is coming. G, bring, bringing. Fall, falling. Fail, failing. Please follow in this case, fail, AI, 2 vowels. So again, ing is coming. The next one. Conform, M, conforming. Burn, N, burning, ing. Help, helping. Again, R, fear. Here also 2 vowels, ER. So ing should be added. The last one, T, act, acting. So let me repeat again, my dear students. If any V1 verb ending with these letters preceded by a more than a vowel or a consonant, simply you will add ing like all other letters. Please follow. Okay. Suppose, next, the example I will give and then I will go for examples. A student was disturbing the class by talking. An engineer was building a house. That is past continuous. Subject plural noun. The children were singing songs. பாடிக்கொண்டு இருந்தார்கள். Doctors were calling the nurses for help in hospital. So, past continuous. Simple past continuous. Example. Now, let me go for pronoun. In the case of pronoun first person, I was learning to play guitar, singular. So, I was using. Most important information I am repeating. I is an exceptional case. Even though it's the personal pronoun singular, only present case is the present tense am will be added as a verb. We are not using is. Please follow. Am. But when you go for past tense, then we'll go for, as usual, was will be added. Most important. So this irregularity you have to memorize. Okay. I was learning to play guitar. Next one. We were warming by hot sun. Plural. Then personal pronoun second person. You were reading a book. நீ ஒரு புத்தகத்தை படித்துக் கொண்டிருந்தாய். ப்ளூரல், யூ வேர் கேம்பிங் இன் த ஃபாரஸ்ட். நீங்கள் ஒரு காட்டில் கேம்ப் படித்து தங்கியிருந்தீர்கள். ஓகே, next one. Next rule, next sentence says, now, he was acting like MGR. Third person, singular. அவன் எம்ஜிஆரை போல நடித்து கொண்டிருந்தான். Acting. She was accepting the dinner given by her friends. Singular again, third person. It was eating an apple. Third person, singular. Then third person, plural. They were building a new house. They were building a new house. Always ing added. Please follow. Next one. Rule 6.4. Very, very important. Please follow. This is most important. In the case of, please follow, past continuous, simple past continuous sentences, when V1 verb is ending with the letter, following letter B, D, G, L, M, N, P, R, and T. Just now we have discussed totally 9 letters. Please, my dear students, I am repeating many times, these rules are not available in any grammar book. I am giving this rule based on my knowledge. Please memorize. So whenever you are coming this ending letter preceded by vowel, A-E-I-O-U, vowel, then we have to add ending letter, V1 ending letter. If B is ending letter, B. D ending letter, D. Like that, we have to add plus ing added. Should be added to the V1 verb. As follows, with some exception in the case of vowel E. In the case of V or sometimes other vowels also observed, specifically in the case of preceded by the R, the consonant R, it is there. Even though the vowel is there, ending letter is R, this exceptions are observed. Please follow. Now I am consulting in the formula. What is the formula? Subject. Subject means it may be a singular noun or plural noun. Personal pronoun, it may be a singular or plural, first person, second person, third person. So it may be any one subject plus verb, primary auxiliary verb, fast, singular was, plural, were, plus V1 verb, present tense, then V1 ending letter plus ing. Please follow, most important. Examples are given below. See, very, very interesting. You cannot read from any grammar book. Actually, I have downloaded more than 300 grammar books from the internet, which are not in printing now, foreign books. I have collected all this. Additionally, I have collected entire Oxford Dictionary. That's why from that I am verified. That's why I am giving 100% surety, confirmation. So, V1 verb crab, ending with B. Then, here B followed by vowel A, so crabbing, double B. Web, B, ending with B, webbing. Fib, fibbing. Rob, robbing. Club, clubbing. So I am giving always 5 because the vowels here A, E, I, O, U. So I am taking such a way that in all the cases it is coming like that. That's why I am taking specifically the verb, V1 verb, I am taking basically in this order. A, E, I, O, U. The next I will go for other example. Now the first one B, second letter pad, padding, double, bed, bedding, double D, Kid, kidding, double D. Node, noding, double D. Dud, dudding, double D. Again, A, E, I, O, U. See, preceded by vowel, that end letter is repeated and then ing added. I'll go for the next. I am giving example for all the 9. Please follow. Because it is not available in any book, so you cannot identify from the even from internet. The next one, bag, bagging, double G, beg, begging, double G, rig, rigging, double G, jog, jogging, double G, hug, hugging, double G. So what is the vowel now? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, the next one. Now the end letter is L. L letter is L. Kindly follow. So the reveal, revealing, double L. Cancel, cancelling, double L. Control, controlling, double L. Annul, annulling, double L. So from the Oxford Dictionary, I tried to find out the end letter L followed by E. I could not find that. I'm not giving here. So no word with I am mentioning the wording. Probably may be available, but it's not available from the Oxford Dictionary. Okay. So now the idea here it is. So A, E, O, U. We are getting again rule obeys. The next one. Yum. Kindly follow. In the case of yum, dam, damming, hem, hemming, dim, dimming, hum, humming. Again, A, E, I, U. Again, I have observed no letter end with yum, vowel is O. I have not observed. Kindly follow. Next one. N. Next letter is N. Pan, panning, double N. Pen, penning. Crin, crinning. Corn, corning. Gun, gunning. As usual, double L. See, A, vowel. E, I, O, U. Obeys. The next letter, R. Kindly follow bar, bearing, bar, barring, differ, differing, stir, stirring, abhor, abhorring, incur, incurring. In all the cases, double R is coming. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. Ending letter R. Next one, T. The last letter T. Ninth letter, there is a. We say here, bat, bat, batting, bet, betting, fit, fitting, clot, clotting, gut, gutting. Always double T is coming. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. Please follow. This is the basic idea. This you have to memorize. What the memorize? Whenever these 9 letters are coming in the V1 verb in its ending letter, preceded by vowel, that ending letter plus ing should be added. Keep it in mind. To form simple past continuous sentence. Now I will go for examples. The example, first I will take nouns. Under the noun, singular noun, I will give you example. Example here, the dog was eating its food. Please follow ing because 2 vowels. That's why the 2t I am not adding. The rat was falling. Kindly follow consonant ing. Eagle was speaking. This is an exceptional case. I already informed you, KNG, so I am using that. Eagle was picking a fish from the sea. The Ram was walking in rain fastly. ING I am adding. Sita was talking with her friend. Talking. ING. So in all the cases, past tense followed by present continuous I am adding. While I am adding present continuous, only I have to look for the formula, the rules. So now I have seen single noun. I'll go for plural noun. Examples. Under the plural nouns, kindly follow. The students were completing their works. The engineers were designing a new bridge. The children were playing in the park. The dogs were barking all night. Please follow barking. Exceptional case, when the coming C, remember, we are removing, that is barking. So here I have done mistake. So C should come there. Parking. Park means ing, parking. The birds were flying south for the winter. Please follow. Completing, designing, playing, park. Park means P-A-R-K. Kureipadu, parking, ing. Were flowing. Plural. The next one. Examples of simple fast continuous sentences. Personal pronoun. Singular. I am using I. Personal pronoun. I told you. Present tense I am. Past tense I was. I was reading a book yesterday evening. I was jogging in the park yesterday morning. I was studying for my examination last night. I was cleaning my house in the afternoon. I was talking to my friend on the phone. These are the specific examples with first person singular, simple past continuous sentences. Now I'll go for the first person plural sentence example. We were walking in the park. We were waiting for the bus for an hour. We kindly follow wait. E. So after removing E, I am adding ing. All these things it has to come to our mind. Cleaning. We were cleaning our house all morning. We were playing football in the evening. We were traveling to Pondicherry. Okay? This is first person plural. So we'll go for second person singular plural. Remember, I am repeating many times. The second person singular you, in Tamil we will use ni. Plural we will write ningal. Ningal, more than one person. Normally in English we cannot be able to differentiate because they are using only you. But when you are using in Tamil, from the verb you can identify singular or plural. நீ சாப்பிட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறாய் singular. நீங்கள் சாப்பிட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறீர்கள் plural. That you should be very careful. So let me use now, let me tell now. You were studying for your test. Please follow. You were studying for your test all night. Singular. I am using. You are jogging in the park. Singular. You are searching a book in the library. Singular. I can use. Because one book I am searching. Now, you were driving cars during the storm. Please follow. Cars I am using. So more than one car means you mean நீங்கள், plural. You can identify. நீங்கள் புயலில் கார்களை ஓட்டிக்கொண்டிருக்கிறீர்கள். ஓட்டிக்கொண்டு இருந்தீர்கள். You were eating with friends at the party. You were eating with friends at the party. Okay, next one. Personal pronoun, third person, singular. He, first one, he. The third person singular, we know already. He, she, and it. This is third person singular. Plural, they. Plural, they. This you have to memorize. So now I am giving example with third person singular, he. Avan. He was watching TV. He was playing football. He was writing a letter. He was cleaning the house. He was studying for the examination. So I am using only he, but different verb I am using. Okay, let me go for now she. Can you follow? Again, she, it is common. Only verb I am changing. She was watching TV. She was playing football. She was writing a letter. She was cleaning the house. She was studying for examination. Okay. Now I will change third person. It. It means adu. Adu means, what is the meaning it? When you will use at it, it means it will not indicate a person. It may be an animal. It may be a non-living thing. Animal, birds, anything, moving thing, any moving thing. And non-living also. So, for example, chair, I can say it is. Chair, it. So now I can give example. It was raining heavily yesterday. நேற்று மிக கனமாக மழை பெய்து கொண்டு இருந்தது. It was getting darker during the day. It was barking loudly in the night. It here, barking, நாய். Barking the word suitable for dog. So, அது இரவில் மிக சத்தமாக கத்திக் கொண்டிருந்தது, குரைத்து கொண்டிருந்தது. It was moving slowly across the floor. Maybe an insect. It was moving slowly across the floor. It was growing faster than expected. Plant. It was growing faster than expected. Now we'll go for third person plural. Here also one important information is there. So in all the cases I am using they. So they were studying for their test all night. They were jogging in the park. They were searching books in the library. They were driving cars during the storm. They were eating with friends at the party. See, in all the cases, we are using past plural because it's a third person plural were and continuous verb studying, jogging, searching, driving, eating, etc. Kindly follow. So, I hope I have completed this. So, today I have completed how we have to frame simple past continuous sentences with the help of some rules I have discussed. So, next class, I will discuss simple past perfect sentences rules I will discuss. So bye-bye. See you again, Dr. Mudasthekaran. Bye-bye.